Alright, pump the clutch. Oh, stop! Alright.
You didn't put the supercharged cover back on?
I forgot about it. I'll put it on in a minute.
I'm installing a supercharger
Supercharger.
for the clutch. The clutch charger.
So, you're tickling the belly of a Ferrari.
Yeah. It's so nice under here. Installing the clutch pedal.
The clutch pedal.
The clutch pedal. No. Installing the clutch distribution block
With doom.
for the clutch release bearing because it started leaking for no fucking reason. Just leaked.
Here's an old one. I don't know if you can tell. There's a crack.
It's got a fracture in it.
There's a fracture right here.
Oh, yeah.
You see it? And it runs all the way through on the inside of the threads as well.
Damn.
Someone
Garbage.
must have been pounding on this clutch.
How much was
So much.
How much is that? Is that like a $5,000 small part?
So many PSIs. You're close. 6.
Oh, damn. Get it?
It's made out of aluminium.
Ah, the strongest substance on Earth.
Right.
Wait, that's not right.
That cracks under
Pressure.
under light clutch pressure.
What was that table?
That's the joke, bro. Jeez. No.
This is not very comfortable.
Definitely aluminum foil is definitely the strongest material on the planet.
Oh,
Ever.
definitely. Forgot about tinfoil.
This is not very comfortable. Alright, wait. I'm going to need you to do several things.
Uh-oh.
Several.
Do you need a pen and paper?
First,
Hmm.
I'm going to need you to bring me das Mighty Vac.
Damn, I thought I had it.
And then I'm going to need the air hoosins.
Mighty Vac is fucking disappeared.
Are you looking into my nose?
Trying to get there.
Is there boogers in there?
For sure.
I've been kind of congested lately.
Oh. It's all the way over there.
Chris, I'm under a Ferrari, Chris.
Okay.
What are you doing?
You do.
Alright, go pour fluid.
Oh, good.
Pour the fluids into... It's a nipple, bro.
It's a nipple.
It's a nipple.
You're a nipple.
You don't know you.
You're a boob.
You don't know you. Put this on the nipple.
Yes.
It don't fit. I forgot to spit on it. That's the problem.
Do you usually spit on your nipples?
Yeah, usually, yeah. Let me know when you have fluid in it.
Oh yeah, fluid.
So much fluid. I can't do it. When I'm standing when I'm laying. Oh,
Blind.
I need an air hose!
Air hose is right behind you.
Where?
Oh, it is right behind you.
Can't reach it. You know I'm in awkward positions over here.
Put this over here in front of you. I'll pull the air hose around to you.
Air hoosies.
Stupid fucking Ferrari. Who makes aluminum distribution blocks? Fucking can't even hold 10 pounds.
Aluminum foil distribution box.
Alright, did you pour fluid in it?
Yeah.
Alright, it's not sucking.
Uh-oh.
What? We gotta turn the air on. We gotta turn it on.
Wait,
I turned the valve off.
do I have to wait 20 minutes until the air compressor compresses?
No, it's full. He just turned off the valve.
Wait, can I get a rag, please?
Oh.
Fucking dead squirrels under here. Oh. cooling.
It's alive.
Hey, can I get a number 11 open-end wrench, please?
Are you ordering a burger from McDonald's or?
With cheese? Can I get an open 11-end wrench with cheese, please?
Oh, hold the mustard.
Extra mayo.
Alright, sir. How about that mayo for the mustard?
You're gonna have to get in the car and pump the clutch.
How many times?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Ow.
For fuck's sakes.
Hi.
The jet has spoken.
Hello.
Hello? Still that thing coming on?
Alright, pump the clutch. Oh, stop!
Oh.
Is it vacuuming?
The fuck?
What happened was...
What happened? Not tight again.
Like that.
It is fucking tight, so why is it leaking?
Uh-oh.
Weird. Push the clutch a little bit.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Alright. No, no. It's leaking.
How about that now?
No, this car has.
No. Fuck. We got this aftermarket block,
Yeah.
so when I thread it in, the line still moves, and it leaks outside the line,
Oh.
even though it's completely bottomed out. So this is deeper than this block, than the original.
Because it's aftermarket, you think?
Yeah, that's an aftermarket block.
Oh, snap.
So this one's deeper. I mean, sorry, this one's not as deep as that one. So when you actually compress the fitting, then it doesn't leak. Because I mean, the line doesn't even move. Here, if I tighten that down all the way, the line moves, so it leaks. It leaks just beyond the line because it's not pinching this all the way. So there's a little bit of void. So the fluid's getting past there and leaking outside.
Oh, jeez.
So I'm gonna go swap that out with the original. Here, let me go see Steve and get another one. Aftermarket parts.
Yeah?
Don't do it.